What if I told you that your cat's fluff you are throwing away could become their new favorite toy? Let me show you this transformation. It is easy, quick, and so satisfying. And the best part, it is completely free. Here is everything you need. I guarantee you already have this at home. And if not, you better start brushing. Cat fur, about a handful, warm water, and your hands. Take a chunk of what you've already set aside from brushing. Start to form it into a loose ball shape. Roll it between your palms and add wool till you are satisfied with the size. Keep in mind, it will shrink a little bit. Don't worry about perfection. We'll tighten it up as we go. Dip your ball into the warm water. Squeeze out the remaining water and start rolling it in between your palms. After some time, you will feel it starts to firm up. That's exactly what we want. That's the wool fibers starting to lock together. Repeat a few times. You know it's working when the ball starts feeling firmer, the fibers stop coming apart, and the shape is starting to be perfect. If you feel fancy, try threading the ball on a string with a needle. Quick safety tip. Always supervise play and check the toy regularly for wear. But that's the beauty of this DIY. You can make a fresh one anytime in 10 minutes. See how tight and bouncy it is now? This is what we want. The quality control manager, Shushu, approves this toy. Not only did he assist me with every step, except the brushing, but he also stole the ball before it was even finished. Enjoy some clips of him playing with it, and I hope your cat will love this toy too. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It helps a lot.